One day, I asked God for instructions on how to live on this earth. God said, "Be like the sun, arise early and do not go to bed late. Be like the moon, shine in the darkness. Be like the birds, eat, sing, and be happy. Be like the flowers, sweet and lovely, spreading fragrance. Be like the fruits, beautiful on the outside and healthy on the inside. Be like the oasis, give your water to the thirsty. Be like the river, always moving forward. Be like the mountains, firm, poised, and majestic. Be like the trees, always growing upwards. Be like water, good and transparent. And above all things, nurture the nature for your future." I thanked God for His instructions and planted a tree. Let's go green because there is no other planet to go. Let's save the earth or there will be no earth to save. Happy World Environment Day, June 5.